Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming two essentials: guest editions that match your Virtualbox version and admin access inside the guest. Once done, power off the VM, then mount the guest editions ISO from the Virtualbox Devices menu. Make sure the guest boots into a session where you can run installers. You run the guest editions installer inside the guest, because this installs the video driver and the guest services that allow dynamic resizing. That is the only reliable method. Now, inside the guest, execute the mounted guest editions installer as administrator and accept prompts to build kernel modules. If you run Linux, install build essential and kernel headers first so modules compile. Once installation finishes, reboot the guest. This applies the video driver. After reboot, go to the Virtualbox menu, view auto-resize guest display, and toggle it on. This tells guest editions to negotiate resolution automatically when you resize the Virtualbox window. To finish, drag to resize the Virtualbox window. The guest should match the new size automatically. If not, open the guest OS display settings and pick a resolution, or run VBox manage control VM name, set video mode hint 1366 768 32 to force a mode. If modes fail, uninstall guest editions inside the guest, reboot, then reinstall ensuring kernel headers match during build. That single reinstall step usually resolves broken.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.